Welcome back everybody to another video, and today on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the overall launch date for the smartphone. Now, Samsung revealed last week at CES that its new Galaxy S9 flagship will be unveiled in Barcelona next month. DJ Ko, the president of Samsung's mobile division, said the launch of this new flagship smartphone will take place at Mobile World Congress, one of the biggest tech events of the year. Now, Samsung has given a very early indication of this launch, but hasn't really given an exact time or exact date of the launch event. And MWC 2018 opens its doors at February 26th, but many people are predicting that Samsung will definitely showcase the Galaxy S9 to the world one day earlier. Now, the Korean firm didn't have a launch last year at Mobile World Congress, of course due to the battery issues of the Note 7, and this time it's going to be actually hosting it in MWC. They actually have a very good recognition with MWC, and Mobile World Congress has always welcomed Samsung smartphones. Now, get excited because the smartphone is coming pretty much next month. Now, when would you get your hands on it? Probably about 2 to 3 weeks after the launch date. Samsung is trying to get as many components as you can. Now, if the prediction is correct, that means Samsung will be unveiling the S9 on Sunday, February 25th. Now, many are sending out invites to everybody, and one big thing is you may be seeing this smartphone having very nice hardware upgrades, even though the design might be pretty much identical to the S8. Thanks for watching.